This 25 kg packing line, I will show how to test them. First, power on. Switch the power, and then machine will working. Can go inside the page, and first, it has many different menus. So first, press calibrate. Here we will calibrate the machine at the first step. Press clear 0 first, and then put the winning mark on the ruler. Then below part press 10 kg. Press 10 kg. We will match 10 kg mark, so you press 10 kg. Then press the calibrate. Then press calibrate, then it will be 10 kg. A little difference is okay because machine a little move. After that, remove the mark away. And then 0 show 0 is okay. Then press the working page. Press filling and running. Then you clap your bag on the bag clapper. Then after clap well, press the foot pedal. Then it will clap the bag, and it will start filling. After the weight is enough, then machine will stop. Then press the foot pedal again. It will open, loosen the bag. After filling, then this winning and sealing machine open that switch, and then you can check the weight also. After check the weight, you can seal in the inside the PE bag. Put the bag in the sealer, and then also press the foot pedal, so it will sealing. So it will sealing automatically, and then it will open. So after sealing, and also here you can set the sealing time. So if not seal very well, adjust the time is okay. It depends on your bag thickness. So you can adjust that time is okay. And the sealing. Press the foot pedal only once, and it will sealing automatic. After sealing well, you see it's sealing strict, and then we move to the next stitching machine. You need to turn on it, and then okay, press that green button. Then the light is lining, so it can working. Put your bag well inside, and then it will start sewing. You need to make your bag well. You see, after sealing, then it's well. The bag will go to the metal detector. Bag will go to the metal detector. Without metal, it will go smoothly. If with metal, it will alarm and move it away. So that is this packing machine working precise.